Hey everybody, Drew in the moment. I'm here walking through Storybook Circus, heading over to check out the Tron construction update, and then I think we're going to head over to Tomorrowland to check out, they have like the bikes that they're going to be using, the Tron bikes. So yeah, I'm going to go check those out, sit on those and see how they feel. But let's go do it. Yep, still got the big old crane. They are just going to town with that thing. So this is what they got going on so far. They are starting to get very, very close. It is going to be amazing. Yeah, I remember when they were just laying like the beams up for to put the tracks on. All right. Well, let's see if we can go get another angle of it from over in Tomorrowland. Over here in Storybook Circus, Pluto is hiding, but I found it. Let's see what kind of craziness he's getting up to.
Oh, okay, the bike's going on. What do you mean? Oh, well, hello there, boys and girls. Hey, welcome to Pete's City Sideshow. Yeah.
So I made it into Tomorrowland. Now I have to try to go find the Tron bicycles, or Tron cycles, excuse me, because I have no idea where they are. I just know they're here somewhere, so this will be like a little scavenger hunt adventure. And you guys are on it with me. Where, oh where can the cycles be? And I think after this I'm going to go up on the People Mover. See, it's the move, it seems like, to get a little more of that Tron construction. Get a little closer, so I'll try to get that footage for you if I can. Oh! Fireworks going off. Where are these Tron cycles? Alright, so after walking around for a minute like a silly man, right here is Space Mountain. And right over here is the Tron cycles. Let's go test ride them out. Yeah, I'm getting on the light cycle though.
Good.
So those Tron bikes, I have to say, are super comfortable. Very smooth. You just like when you sit down on them, your knees are on this little like almost like a shin pad, and then you pull the handle down, the back comes, and it actually is pretty comfortable. I thought it was going to be a little suffocating, but it's really not. Pretty comfortable, so I can't wait for that ride to come out. But now I think we're going to go head over to the People Mover and try to get you guys a little bit more footage of the construction. So let's go do that. Alright guys, well that was just my quick trip to check out the light cycles over here in Tomorrowland and just a little bit of the Tron construction. So that'll be coming out with the 2021, that ride will be coming out, so I think that's what it is. But anyway, I'm going to head off now. Hope you enjoyed the quick vlog, and until we see you next time, remember, only one way to live. In a moment.